Hello, friends. Texas, Florida, California, Arizona, Alabama, Arkansas. All states where the virus is starting to go up again. Florida, California, and others are facing the possibility of another lockdown. Houston, Texas has the ability to become the next epicenter in the United States. 3 states have said that they will require quarantining from anybody coming in from those states: New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. What else have we found from this virus? We know that it's transmitted from people that are asymptomatic, that don't have any symptoms. We know that there are several strains out there. D614G is the newest strain that is circulating. We don't know if it's more deadly than the previous one, but we do know that it is more contagious. What else have we learned? There's been pregnant women with COVID-19. Many of those will require ventilators. Many of those may or may not make it. So it's not just the elderly and the sick anymore. It also can be young, pregnant women. We've also learned that there are neonates, newborns, that are born with COVID-19 because their mother had it. And I should correct myself. They're not born with COVID-19. They're born with the SARS-CoV-2 virus. COVID is the disease. The SARS-CoV-2 is the virus. It's similar to HIV and AIDS. But the important thing is this is not over. The important thing is that now we're seeing that it's spreading into other populations that are also getting sick. The number of patients now, or number of cases that are being seen, are those from 18 to 30 now. Very different from when it all started. Many of them won't know that they have it. Some of them might have some mild symptoms. Now some other symptoms have been added to COVID. Nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, with or without fever. Headache. We know about the loss of smell and the loss of taste. Of course, we know about the respiratory syndrome. But the problem is that we can get this. It can have several shapes and several forms because the virus is changing, it's mutating. So this pandemic is not flying over us. This pandemic is here. It's still here. Again, I'll say it. It is not the government's responsibility anymore. It is your and my responsibility to protect ourselves and to protect others. Avoid being in crowded spaces indoors. Avoid crowds. Use masks, hand washing, face shields if you want. Practice social distancing, because if we don't do this, this pandemic is going to mow us over. Thank you. Stay safe, stay tuned.